How to write the title of a YouTube video. One of the factors that is taken into consideration by YouTube's algorithm is the video title. Additionally, the title, along with the thumbnail, is one of the first things viewers notice on YouTube. Before we upload our first video, let's talk about how to craft an effective title for the video that we'll upload. There are some important points that need to be kept into consideration when finalizing the title of the video. When users search on YouTube, the algorithm matches their queries with relevant content. To boost the likelihood of your video appearing in search results, ensure your video title contains key phrases related to your niche. Incorporating keywords into your video title is essential for SEO. As you can see, this YouTube channel is called Quotes. It shares famous quotations and life lessons from famous people across the world. If you look at the videos, like this one, the title includes Mark Twain along with life lessons, and the thumbnail also features Mark Twain. The next video is about Al Capone. It also has the name Al Capone in the title and his picture in the thumbnail. The same goes for the rest of the videos. Including relevant keywords in your video title and aligning it with the thumbnail is crucial for effective SEO. The ideal character length for the video title is 60 to 70 characters. Over 70% of YouTube viewership comes from mobile devices like phones and tablets. Given the smaller screen size, excessively long video titles won't fully display, reducing their effectiveness. Therefore, it's important to create titles that are mobile-friendly and concise. If you need a longer video title, consider placing additional details in the thumbnail or video description, which appears below the video. Avoid using too much technical jargon. Not everyone is an expert, and they wouldn't be searching for solutions on YouTube if they were. For example, use how to rank on YouTube instead of how to use SEO to optimize content on YouTube. Both convey the same idea, but since most people are on YouTube to solve a problem, it's better to keep the language simple. Not everyone is tech-savvy, so use straightforward terms. Before you start making a video, ensure you have a clear title in mind. This helps keep your content focused and prevents you from straying off topic. If your video deviates from the title, viewers are more likely to stop watching midway, which can negatively impact your average view duration and overall watch time, ultimately affecting your YouTube channel's performance. Finalizing the title beforehand ensures your content stays relevant and aligned with the topic. Use the vertical line or pipe symbol. This way, you can put multiple subjects that your video covers in one title. As you can see in the title of the video here, they have made use of the pipe symbol. Finally, use capital letters in your titles to add emphases and make them easier to read, rather than using all lowercase. Also keep in mind that certain types of titles, such as how-to titles, which are highly successful and often go viral on YouTube. For example, how to start a YouTube channel, how to cook a turkey, how to tie a tie, how to book a cheap hotel. YouTube video titles are essential for attracting viewers and improving discoverability. A compelling title makes a strong first impression and can significantly boost click-through rates. Incorporating relevant keywords enhances SEO, helping your video rank higher in search results and reach a wider audience. A well-crafted title also sets clear expectations, encouraging viewer engagement and retention. Since YouTube's algorithm values engagement, a strong title is key to driving traffic and growing your channel.